Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bev Chua, Staff Veterinarian here at Animal Care Systems. Welcome to our video series on the SMART system, which we like to call SMART Bites. Today's question is, how do I control the heat on the SMART system? Each heat plate is individually controlled by its own on and off switch, and each plate can be individually set for any desired temperature. The green display is the temperature you set a heat plate at, and the red display is the actual temperature the heat plate is putting out. So these two numbers are usually very close. These up and down buttons are used to adjust the heat plate temperature. You can adjust the unit in whole numbers or use the decimal places. I hope this answers your question, how do I control the heat on the SMART system? If you also have a question on the SMART system, please feel free to email me here. And stay tuned for more bite-sized answers to your SMART questions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.